Hello, my dear students of third standard. Hope you are enjoying your online studies. Today we will read chapter 2, A Light for the Palace Fire. Dear students, this is a story of the palace fire. There was a huge palace at the top of a hill. A fire always burned in the palace to keep it warm. One day, the fire suddenly stopped burning and no one was able to light it up again. The people of the palace said that the fire had died because the people were always quarreling in the palace. The people was freezing and everyone needed the fire in winter. The king ordered his messenger go down the hill and arrange fire. Bring some embers or coal from any house. The messenger took an iron lantern and set off in the bitter cold and said to a man, "Give me some coal to light the palace fire." The man said, "I will give you burning coal, but in return I want gold coins." The messenger agreed. He put the coal inside his lantern and turned to go back, but the coal soon turned cold and grey. Cold and grey, he had to throw it. Then he went to another house, said to a woman, "Gina, give me some coal to light the palace fire." She agreed to give, but in return she wanted the king to make her father the captain of the guards. The messenger again agreed and took some burning coal and set off for the palace. Soon he saw the coal had turned to grey ash. He threw it. At last he came to a cottage. There was a little girl. He said to that girl he wanted a light for the palace fire. The little girl said to him, "Do sit down, warm yourself and have a bowl of porridge. Then you may have half of your fire if the king needs it." The messenger did as the girl said. After that, the messenger took the coal and set off. He noticed that earlier the coal never burned. He noticed that the coal earlier never burned, but this time as he walked, the coal grew brighter and still burning till he reached the palace. He touched it. The messenger touched it to the grey logs in the fire palace. They burst into flames. The fire once again warmed the people of the palace. People were happy. They realized that this was because of the little girl. She had shown selfless love by not demanding anything in return. Well, student, this is the story of this chapter. Now, page 17, we will do exercise. Circle the odd word to each set. We have to choose odd word. Cold, freezing, chilled. And odd word is hot. Circle the hot. 2. Kind, friendly, helpful. These are same words and mean is the odd word. Circle mean. 3rd, search, hunt, and seek. These are the similar word, and odd word is hide. Circle hide. Fourth, blaze, flame, gloom. These are the similar words, and odd word is glow. Circle glow. First hot, second answer mean, third hide, fourth glow. Now page 18. Match the words that go together. One is done for you. Bitter, cold, right here 1. Burning, fire, right 2. Little, girl, right here 3. Dark, night, right here 4. Twinkling, stars, right here 5. Answer is 3, 5, 2, 1, 4. Answer is 3, 5, 2, 1, 4. And dictionary is not in your syllabus. Dear students, your homework is read this chapter carefully and learn book exercise D and E, and question answer we will do in our next lecture. Thank you. Obey your parents. Have a safe time. Goodbye.